well-placed gentleman, as a minister's brother-in-law, I don't find a peace in my house. So I want to continue here up to my life. We are getting the best medical attention, food attention. Nurses are like our sisters, and they are taking more care. At 6 o'clock we are getting coffee, and 7 o'clock morning tiffin, and 1 o'clock all the other things. So I cannot say more than this about my institution. I thank once again for the medical department.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಮೇಡಮು ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರು, ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ನರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾತಾ. ತುಂಬಾ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ದಿನಾಗ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ತೊಂದರೆ